How to back up photos and videos on MX Player. If you are trying to back up photos and videos from your MX Player, the first thing you have to do is have the application installed on your device and simply open it up. Now, once you're inside your application, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. And once you get here, you'll find the settings menu right up top. And once you get to settings, here you're going to have to find the general settings. Just tap on it. Then, after that, scroll down a bit, and here you have an option to export. So you can export a setting or the activity to record a file, and click on OK. Now you can select which photo or video you want to back up and export. You can select that from here, and you should be able to easily back it up. And whenever you need to recover it or you need it as your backup, you could always open it up from here. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.